Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever wanted to bring the stoic, powerful ice ninja Zane into your Gacha Club adventures? Now you can. This quick guide shows you exactly how to transform your character into the Nindroid hero. We'll walk through his unique appearance, from his distinctive skin tone to his iconic ninja gear. Get ready to add Zane to your roster and create amazing new stories. First things first, start by selecting a male character slot in Gacha Club. Zane is a Nindroid, so his skin isn't exactly human. Head over to the skin color palette and choose a very pale, almost white shade of light gray. This foundational color is key to capturing his unique robotic appearance and will make all his other elements truly pop. Now, let's move on to Zane's iconic hair and eyes. For his hair, choose a short, clean-cut style, often white or a very light gray, reflecting his Nindroid design. His eyes are equally important. Opt for a striking bright blue or vivid teal to symbolize his mastery over ice. These specific choices bring his personality and powers to life in your game. Next, it's time for Zane's essential ninja attire. Select a base outfit that is mostly white and gray, incorporating light blue accents where possible. Look for items like a fitted gi, some arm wraps, and leg coverings that give a subtle nod to his mechanical nature. You might even find a small accessory, like a snowflake or a gear, to truly complete his look. Finally, let's bring Zane to life with the perfect pose and finishing touches. Select a stance that portrays his quiet strength and readiness, perhaps a calm yet alert ninja pose. If Gacha Club offers any subtle ice effects or a gentle blue aura, add them to hint at his elemental power. And just like that, your meticulously crafted Zane is ready for anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.